Welcome, in front of me is a Amazon Fire Phone, and today I will show you how to clear browsing data. So to start off, you will need to open up the Settings app, and you can find it either by pulling down or up from the bottom to get the application, basically entire list of it, or you can pull down the notification panel and it will also be visible right here. So from here you want to select applications and control or parental controls, and then choose manage applications. And now in the filter, make sure that it's set to all as it is right now, and go down till you find your browser that you're using. I'm gonna show it for the default one because that's the one that is installed, and it's called Silk Browser, as you can see right here. So just tap on it now and you will have a couple options. You can clear data, clear cache, and clear default. We just need to clear the data and cache to remove the entire history. So just tap on clear data and then cache as well, or it actually removes as well with the cache. So now the history should be completely gone, and yeah, that's basically how you do it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.